How's it going, everybody? This is Corey from Buffalo Bros Burgers. Thanks for following our YouTube channel. We're going to start posting some more videos on here. This one is going to be kind of like a day in the life style video where we should have started earlier because we've already been running errands, but better late than never. And we're going to, right now, we're going to prep some beef. We already got some noodles going for mac and cheese, and we'll kind of bring you along throughout the day. And on this channel, we'll also start doing some more interviews, maybe customer interviews, employee interviews, maybe some fun videos and day in the life stuff, how to, maybe cooking. I don't know, maybe we'll teach you how to cook some burgers, things like that. So keep following along. We really appreciate it. And here you go. All right, so we just did about 30 pounds of beef. That'll get us started. If we're busy tonight, which usually the spot is really busy, we'll do about 40 to 50 pounds in about the 3 hours. So just get started with about 30, and then as we go, we can prep as we need it. I take these noodles out, but you know, after we do everything, we're constantly doing dishes. You know, that's a cutting board that we had in there. So just about our day today and how it started. Everyone thinks that buy a food truck, work 4 hours a week, and everything's great. Incorrect. Well, today was a little different because we're only cooking for dinner. So this morning had a haircut roughly around 9. Went and picked up all of our food for the rest of the week. And then came to the, stopped at the storage unit, dropped some things off the storage unit, dropped some things off, pick them up. And then came right to the commissary, started prepping, cooking noodles for pasta, put all the food away, and now it's about 12:30. We have to hook up the trailer and take it over, get some, fill up the propane. We fill propane every about 3 or 4 shifts. Usually gets us about 18 to 20, 25 hours of use. So we got to fill up some propane. We'll probably swing back here, make sure we have everything, and then we'll be on our way to our location for the night, which is in Derby. So here we go with all that. All right, so now we're out with the trailer, Buffalo Bros Burgers, 200-pound propane tanks, and we just backed up. Nice thing, we got some backup cameras on the truck, so we basically get that every single time. And if you can't tell, it's pretty cold out today. The day started at, I think my truck said like 8. So it's climbing. We're in the upper 20s, low 30s, probably right around 30. So we got the heat and everything going on inside the trailer, trying to keep it warm. But here we go. We'll connect this trailer, and then we'll go fill it with propane. There's no easy way to do this, so we're gonna shoot this and see if it looks cool. Doubt it. We have a power jack. Makes things a little easier. Just bring the jack up. Probably gonna have to edit some of this. That is not exciting stuff. That little red cord is for our emergency trailer brake. So if everything pops off, that'll disconnect and hit the brakes for the trailer. I'm gonna come inside. Make sure everything is not going to fall over the place like that. This stuff would have fallen over the place. That's the inside of the trailer. Pretty excited. All right, we're here, Guys Lumber in Hamburg, and we're filling up our propane tanks. They must have saw me coming because somebody's already out there. Let's see what's going on. So basically what happens is I pull up, somebody comes out, and they fill. Costs $150. Every couple 3 or 4 days. All right, so this basically is going to end our night. We ended up getting pretty busy and had to do some things with our online ordering, turn it on and off. So I wasn't able to really shoot too much, but we'll do some more behind the scenes and things like that. And we'll get better at this as we go. So right now we're back at our commissary, and we're draining all the water out of the trailer right now, so overnight they don't freeze. And then we're gonna basically clear out the trailer, so take all the garbage. We have a dumpster right there, so we'll take all the garbage over there, and then do some dishes. So we just got finished. We closed at 7. By the time we got back, it's now like 7:45, and we got another half hour or so worth of work, and then we'll head home. Then tomorrow we'll be right back at it. So thanks everybody for watching. We'll get better at this, I promise, and we'll do some more fun stuff. So this is Corey, Buffalo Bros Burgers. Thanks for following.